In this introduction, we will go over spreadsheet design concept, some useful Excel functions such as goal-seek, VLOOKUP, index match. Spreadsheet is used in Excel spreadsheet to answer a finance question. We want to ask what is this question about, where's the data located, and calculation. Does the findings allow for future change or not? Typically, it's structured in three parts: input, output, solutions. Input is the problem and related input section. Output contains findings, answers, solutions, detailed calculations. Example, loan amortizations. Input contains loan informations. Output answers payment or other informations. Solution contains detailed calculations. Now I'm going to move on to talk about the goal-seek Excel function. Goal-seek Excel function is one of the three what-if analysis functions. The purpose of goal-seek is to find out, once you have a basic calculation, what does it take to achieve a certain outcome? So if you hit goal-seek, it will have a pop-up window ask you for three-piece information, where the set cell asks you where is the location of your output, your outcome. And second, two value ask you what amount you want to achieve. By changing cell, ask you the location of the input variable you want to change. Example, selling lemonade. The profit depends on three-piece information: price, quantity, material cost. So the 6.5 net profit is actually a formula-based. Depends on the three-piece information. Once one of these information change, net profit also change. So we want to find out how many we have to sell so we can achieve $10 instead of 6.5. So we hit goal-seek. We want to fill out three-piece information. Here, the cell contains location of the outcome, which is C7. We want to achieve $10. We want to find out how many we have to sell. So the location of this input is in C4. So here is the detailed information. And the result shows that we need to sell 32 cups so we can make $10 profit. Very important to notice that the first basic calculation, you cannot be empty. Also, the outcome has to be formula-based instead of manually typing 6.5. That way, nobody is going to change. I'm going to show you another example. Find out the grades. So this course grades based on these four categories: exam, scores, final, homework, so on and so forth. So this based on the initial estimate. If we have 60% final exam, we will get 67% course grade. Course grade is based on these information. It's formula-based. We want to find out how much we have to get in the final exam so we can achieve 80% in the course grade. So the course grade, the cell have to link to the location of the outcome, which is course grade. Right now it's D34. We want to see achieve 80%. So the 80% is the two value. We want to see how much we have to to earn in the final exam. So location of final exam D32 is by changing cell, right? Okay. So that is 2 examples. I'm now going to show you that Excel functions. So I think you need to open the Excel spreadsheet practice work in Intro1. Go to the Go Seek. So the first thing I want to do is find out the lemonade. This time I want to see how many have to sell to earn $50. So go to data, go to what if, click on Go Seek. Okay, so I want to, the net profit is our outcome set cell. We want to reach $50 by changing how many cup to sell, right? Okay. So I'm going to show that how I can actually record this window. I'm use snipping tools. Click on new, cut out. Then I'm going to use Control plus C, Control C, close. Then I'm going to actually finish the Go Seek. It's still inside a Go Seek process. Click on OK. Right? So then I can copy paste. Right? Control V, copy paste. Here. So this time we need to sell 112 cups to earn $50. Another example, course grades, right? You see, so this course grades depend on the grade component and the performance by each grade. So it is formula based. Now what I'm going to do is find out how much I need to have in the final exam so I can achieve 70%, right? So our set cell contains the outcome, course grade. This time we want to see 70% by changing the final exam, the location final exam, D32, right? Again, I can record the window, copy paste. Okay, so this time I only need 69% in the final exam to achieve 70%. One more example. Okay, loan payment. Okay, loan amount, the terms, rate determine the loan payment. We want to see if I only afford $900 every month. What kind of interest rate I need to get in order to achieve that? So again, I'm going to go to what if, Go Seek, and the cell B10. Value, I want to change to 900 by changing the rate, right? B9, rate, location. Okay, so we need to actually have to have 7% in the rate, interest rate, otherwise we cannot get 900. So that's all for Go Seek. So I want you to do practice in the homework.